By 2015, the world is likely to have changed drastically from what we know now, and the planet's economy and financial landscape will be no exception. A report from professional services giant PwC looks at which economies around the world will be biggest and the most powerful in 33 years' time. The report titled The Long View: How Will Be the Global Economy's Order Change by 2015 ranked 32 countries by their projected global gross domestic product by purchasing power parity. PPP is used by macroeconomists to determine the economic productivity and standards of living among countries across a certain time period. With the exception of USA and many of the world's current powerhouse economics like Japan and Germany will have slipped down global rankings. So today we are talking about top 5 countries by economy in 2015. Number 5, Brazil. Brazil, officially the Federative Republic of Brazil, is largest country in both South America and Latin America at 8.5 million square kilometers with over 211 million people. Brazil is the world's 5th largest country by area and the 6th most populous. In present time 2020, Brazil total nominal GDP 1.8 trillion US dollar, but after 30 years Brazil nominal GDP 7.5 trillion US dollar. That's really huge change in Brazil economy in next 30 years. I think Brazil future is very bright. Number 4, Indonesia. Indonesia, officially the Republic of Indonesia, is a country in Southeast Asia and Oceania between the Indian and Pacific Ocean. It consists of more than 17,000 islands including Sumatra, Java, Borneo, Sulawesi and New Guinea. Indonesia total population around 27 crores. Indonesia population crossed 270 millions. That's really huge numbers. In present time, Indonesia total nominal GDP 1.1 trillion US dollar, but in next 30 years this economy change dramatically and Indonesian economy in 2015 10.5 trillion US dollar. Huge change. Number 3, United States of America. The US is a country of 50 states covering a vast swath of North America with Alaska in the northwest and Hawaii extending the nation's presence into the Pacific Ocean. Major Atlantic coast cities are New York, a global finance and culture center. Everyone know America is most powerful and most advanced country in the world in present time, but I think in next 30 years everything will be changed. In present time, US total GDP 21.4 trillion US dollar, but in 2015 USA total GDP 34.5 trillion US dollar. Number 2, India. India, officially the Republic of India, is a country in the South Asia. It is the second most populous country, but report says in 2050 India most populated country in the world. India's 7th largest country by area and the most populous democracy in the world. Everyone know India is full of culture, tradition and food. In present time, India one of the most fastest growing economy in the world. In 2020, India total nominal GDP 2.9 trillion US dollar, but in 2050 India total nominal GDP 44.54 trillion US dollar. That's huge change in Indian economy. Number 1, China. China, officially the People's Republic of China, is a country in East Asia. It is the world's most populous country with a population of around 1.4 billion in 2019, covering approximately 9.5 million square kilometers. It is the world's 3rd. In present time, China total nominal GDP 14.1 trillion US dollar, but after 30 years, China total nominal GDP 58.45 trillion US dollar. Guys, what you think about this new report? Tell me your opinion in comment section and please hit the like button and share this video with all of your friends, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And share this video with all of your friends, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.